So, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. So, how are you all? So, as a part of our discussion regarding averages, mixtures, and allegations, we have dealt the concept of averages in detail. I have explained you the basics and also how to effectively use allegation rule. Now today let us discuss about mixtures, the concept of mixtures after completing the questions regarding allegation rule and somewhat averages. Then I will start doing, I will start explaining mixtures today, right? So please ask your friends to join the class. Let's start the class. And coming to me, this is me Anil and Sharma, and these are my credentials. Now by using my code, not only you get 10% discount, you get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now when I speak about plus or iconic, right, so it got huge blockbuster in iconic for UPSC, then later on it was started in GATE and all higher end courses. What is the difference between plus and iconic? In plus you get these live classes, RIB, which is exclusively for creatrix, English and Hindi batches, crash course, doubt solving sessions. Apart from this, what you get in plus? Hi Durga, good evening. You will get a personal coach in Iconic, right? He will be at least from an IIT, or he would have cracked the examination with the best rank. Now he will completely analyze you based upon your strength and weakness. He will give a study plan with which topic you have to start, then next what topic you have to go. For each and every topic you will get instant study material, the best material. You will get summary sessions, study booster sessions for each and every topic. For every test you will get an analysis, right, where you have gone wrong, how to rectify it, how to boost your score, everything will be given there. Now for GATE and ESE, if you choose plus, so how much you have to invest there? It is 1650 rupees per month, which will be normally you have invested on mathematics tuition in your primary classes. Now you will get India's the best IITians to teach for you. When you use my code NLN10, you will get 10% discount, and after 10% discount the price will be 27,225. This is for 18 and this is for 24 months. Now for Iconic, the price will be 45,225 for 1 year after discount when you use my code NLN10. So using my discount code, apart from 10% discount, you will get my guidance and my group guidance entirely, right, from Ankit sir, Bhima sir, Kamesh sir, right, finally to me. I think I am clear now. On Unacademy, more than 3,000 members are following me, right? So I am dealing verbal foundation course on Unacademy. I have started today, January 11th, and it will be continued for the next 11 days. So do follow me on Unacademy. This is the link to follow me on Unacademy. And see, tomorrow the third season of Unacademy Combat is going to start. You can compete with the best solutions given by the educators. You can unlock the combat by using my code NLN10, where you can prove yourself by giving the best solutions for the questions. Do try it. And these are the batches started by the top educators. Now I am also going to start from Jan 18th the foundation course for plus student. So those who are interested can take subscription by using my code NLN10. Hi Suraj. Right. So this is the thing what we have started in the last two classes. Once observe there, I have given you the definitions of average. I have given you how to look upon averages in different topics, statistics, arithmetic progression and all those things. I have discussed with you the weighted average. I have discussed with you allegation rule. Now see here, let's see the questions that we will discuss today, which we have left out yesterday. Have anyone tried this question there? Please let me know in the comment. Where is Satvik? Where is Revati? Right? Where are these guys? Right? Hi Suraj. How was the class today in the afternoon, Suraj? Did you liked it? Have you liked the English version, English class today? Right. Now see here, observe the question given there. A trader has 100 kgs of rice, a part of which he sells at 20% gain. Now this is gain here, and the rest at 10% loss. He gains 14% on the whole. What is the quantity sold at 10% loss. Now by observing, you might treat this question as profit and loss, but there is no need to use that. You can use alligation rule to calculate. Now see here, you have 100 kgs rice bag. In this X kgs were sold at 20% gain, and the remaining 100 minus X is sold at 10% loss. This is the point given there. Minus 10% loss means, am I right or wrong? Yes. By doing this both together, when you at the end of the day, when you combine this both together, did you gained or lost? You have gained 14% on whole. This is the point given there. Now by alligation rule, please calculate and let me know the value there. 20 minus 14 is 6. 14 minus of minus 10 will be how much? Is it 24? And the ratio is 4:1. Now here the point given there. What is the quantity sold at 10% loss is the question asked. अब देखो x parts is equal to 4. 100 minus x parts is equal to 1, it seems. Is this the point given there? Now when you add this together, now automatically what will be happen? 100 kgs will be equal to how much, ma? Will it be 5 parts? Yes or no? Now you are asked to find out quantity sold at 10% loss. So 1 part value is the question asked. Now calculate this and let me know the value. Is this the answer? B, 20 kg? Loss means you have sold only 1 part in loss. This is the point. I think I am clear. So by this time you have to be very strong in calculating alligation rule, right? A powerful tool which will be helpful to solve easy questions. Yes, very good, Suraj. Right. Now see here, in the previous class, we have solved simple interest, compound interest using alligation rule. Now this is also the same question, but a little bit twist is there. A man lent 1200 rupees for 3 years, it seems. A part he lends at 4% and the rest at 6% and obtains 192 as interest on a whole, it seems. How much money did he lend at 6% rate is the question asked. So देखो, I will take down like this. There are 1200 rupees. In this again, x rupees was given at 4% interest rate. Now the remaining 1000 minus x, 1200 minus x is given for how much? 6% interest rate. Now see here, when you club this together, now your average value must, when you club two percentages, the bracket value, the round off value must also be percentage. Here you are not given with percentage, you are given with number value. Now find out the overall rate of interest, then that will be the value here. Now see here, you already know simple interest is equal to this, everybody know, right? I don't need to explain again, right? Principal into time period into rate of interest divided by 100. अब देखो, your simple interest on a whole you have obtained 192 rupees. What is that whole principal that you have invested? 1200 rupees. Time period how many years? Is it 3 years? Yes. And this is what you have to find out, R divided by 100. Now see here, 3 ones are 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are. So at last finally this 100 and 100 gets cancelled. R is equal to 64 by 12. Can I write down like this? How can I write down like this? Please let me know. 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 2 7s are. Am I right or wrong? No, 2 2s are. Again 2 3s are, 2 16s are. Is it right? 16 by 3. So I will write down 16 by 3 only here, because there is, I will avoid the fraction confusions here. 16 by 3 is nothing but how much, ma? Can anybody say? 16 by 3 is nothing but 5.5 something. Am I right? Yes. Now see here, 4 is less value. So I can write down like this, 16 by 3 minus 4. Automatically 6 is higher value, 6 minus 16 by 3. Now can I write down like this? 16 3, 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 16 by 3 is how much? Is it 2 by 3? Now here 4 threes are 12. Is it 4 by 3? And your 3 gets cancelled. What is the ratio there? Is it 1 is to 2? Perfectly 1 is to 2. What is the answer there? How much money did he lend at 6% interest rate? This is the question asked. So both ratios are in the format of 1 is to 2. So I'll write down like this. So 1 plus 2 is nothing but how much? 3 parts. This 3 parts is equal to 1200. And you are asked to find out how many parts value? 2 parts value. So what is your answer there? 3 ones are, 3 fours are. Is the answer 800? Did anybody got the same answer there? And your option number A? Is it clear? Now what happened today? Very less students are there in the class. Suraj, so please like the session, right? If you like the session, what I say is it will reach to more number of students. This is what we expect from you, right? So one like can reach to 10 persons, right? At least. So that's why we ask you to like the session. Is it clear? Now see here, I will be giving you the same type of question and I'll give you 2 minutes to solve this. Let me know how many can solve this. Same question. I have not changed a single bit. Only the values are changed. The process is same. Let me know the answer for this. So I will not intervene in between. Rupees 3000 is invested in two parts. That of the first part at 6% per annum and the second part at 5% per annum, and obtained a simple interest of rupees 160 in a year. Now see here, again the value is given, the number is given there. How much is invested at 6% per annum? So if I give you a question, you automatically leave the class. You'll come after completing the question. Am I right or wrong? Is this the thing that you are doing there? Sanjana is saying that A. Sanjana is saying that A 1000. What about the remaining persons? Suraj, Durga. Once let me know in the comment section. Well, there are 9 students in the class. Let me know who are those 9. Very good, Sanjana. The same question, right? I have repeated the same question with different values. Shall I end the poll there? $20. What about the remaining students? Nobody. So I'm ending the poll there. If one student answered, I'll end the poll there. Rupees 3000 is invested in two parts. Same question, right? So I don't need to solve it also. In this first part, I will take it as X rupees. And the second part, I will take it as 3000 minus X. Okay. The first part is given at 6% per annum. The second part is given at 5% per annum. Now, when you mix two percentages, automatically your average must also be in the percentages. Prabhu, yes, it will get started, right? Because I will be ending my classes here. I am going to teach ESE in separate channels. So in my slots, R will come and teach there. Okay, don't worry about that. Right? And see here, but here the value is given there. Now the question asked is how much it is invested in 6% per annum. Ab dekho, see here the same formula, simple interest per annum. It is per year only. Principal into time period into rate of interest divided by 100. Okay. Now overall you have obtained 160 rupees. Overall you have invested 3000 rupees. Time period is 1 year. Rate of interest is R that you have to find out there, divided by 100. So at last finally R is equal to 16 by 3, the same pattern of question here. So this value is 16 by 3. 16 by 3 is nothing but 5.5. So 6 minus 16 by 3 will be this here. 16 by 3 minus 5 will be here. So this will be how much? 3 5s are 15. 1 by 3 will be left over. Here 2 by 3 will be left over. And the ratio is 1 is to 2. So automatically 1 plus 2, 3 parts value is 3000, and you are asked to find out 6 percentage value, which is nothing but one part. One part value will be 1000. Yes, Suraj, very good. That's an easy one. Now let's come to the yes. Now see here, a little bit of twist, but the same pattern of question. This was asked in 2015 examination in ESE. Now I will show you how to solve it. Don't worry about that. A $500 investment and a $1,500 investment have a combined yearly return of 8.5 percentage. Now see here, one investment is $500, one investment is $1,500. Now combinedly you have an 8.5 percentage of return, it seems, of the total. If $500 investment has an yearly rate of interest of 7 percentage, what percentage yearly return does $1,500 have? Now this is X, this is what you have to find out. Now when you club this together, you know the overall rate of return what you have obtained, which is 8.5. Done. Now see here, I can calculate like this. 8.5 is higher. How much is this? Is it 1.5 here? Yes, perfectly. So x will be highest value, x minus 8.5. Now everybody know the investment ratios are in the pattern of 1:3. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So x minus 8.5 is given as 1. I mean, I have directly written it, right? And 1.5 is given as how much? 3. So 3 ones are 3, 0.5 are. So what is your x value there? Is it 9 percentage? Did you got the same value? I have done using the same alligation rule, and your answer is 9. How many of you got the same answer there? So I am solving different questions with the same alligation rule technique. So this is what you have to learn also. So many have complained me that yeah, I am doing very fast. I go slow, right? Don't worry about that. Same pattern of questions now? Yes. Now this is the question asked in 2016 examination. Date matlab we have to decide it, Prabhu, right? We have decided. Now see here, as I already said you in the telegram group, if the crowd is more than 60 live watching, then we are ready to start digital electronics, right? Everyone will come. If the crowd is more than 50, and Ankit sir will come to teach here. Let me know the answer this. Share to your friends there, like the session and share to your friends there. If the crowd is more, automatically I mean everyone will come to teach here. Already Venkat sir is right now the best in mathematics, right? Nobody is comparable to him right now. So that right, same way you can compare me with all the lectures and no one can compete with me. Same thing. Prabhu, option C. Okay. What about Sanjana? Is it option C? Might be mistake, Prabhu. Once check there. Option C is wrong, I think so. Sanjana, Suraj. Suraj is saying that D, 16. What about Sanjana? What is your answer there? So think in a general way, right? Don't immediately write down to start rules, okay? Now, देखो, A and D are same, right? Okay. That's देखो यार. In your pocket, there are 41 rupees. In your pocket, there are 41 rupees. Now, this 41 rupees was given to 50 boys and girls. So, in a class, totally boys and girls together, there are 50 students. Now let me know simple average. So each student will get on an average how much? Now they go. Total sum is 41 rupees. Now you have 50 students with you. So automatically this will be 0.82. I can write down this as 82 pies. Now each student on an average will get 82 pies. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now dekho, see here each boy got 90 pies it seems. Each girl got 65 pies it seems, the number of boys is. Now when you club these boys and girls, now each student got how much? Is it 82 pies? This is what you have calculated there. Now by allocation rule you can calculate there. 90 minus 82 will be 8. 82 minus 65, 75. Is it 17? Yes, 17. So boys are 17 parts, girls are 8 parts. So 17 plus 8 will be nothing but equal to 25. Am I right or wrong? 17 is to 8. If I write like this 25 parts is equal to 50 students. Now you are asked to find out how many boys are there in the class it seems. Ab dekho, boys means how many parts? 17 parts is the question asked. Am I right or wrong? So your answer is 34. So 34 boys are there in the class is the question asked. This is your answer. So how many of you have done in the same pattern and missed out the logic there? And B option is your answer. Yes, A and D are same option, but A and D both are not right. Your B option 34 is right. So I have done in the normal process only, right? I didn't use any hyperlogic to calculate this. I used alligation rule only. Done. Clear? Right. So in the first class, I have explained you about arithmetic progression and average. So let's solve some questions using arithmetic progression. Ab dekho, before going into arithmetic progression, I want you guys to know some silly mistake, right? Now, dekho idhar, if I give you this series 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma so on. So what type of series is this? You say that this is arithmetic progression. In your normal mathematics textbooks, this is arithmetic progression? Perfectly right, I accept it. But if you sum this, what will be this called? Sum of n natural numbers. Am I right or wrong? If I ask you to find out sum of these numbers, is this nothing but sum of n natural numbers? Now sum of n natural numbers is given as n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Will you accept this? Will you accept this? This is arithmetic progression, or you can write down like this also. Am I right or wrong? Ab dekho, this is same, right? Sum of n terms in an arithmetic progression is nothing but first term plus last term divided by 2 into number of terms. Now see here, your first term is 1, your last term is n into n divided by 2. So this is what you will be learnt as a formula, right? The conversion of the given formula is nothing but this. Am I right or wrong? So sum of n natural numbers, you will be writing this as n into n plus 1. Will you accept this? Please let me know in the comment section box. Sum of n natural numbers. Yes. Now one more point. Sum of squares. Sum of squares up to n. So automatically you know you can write down this is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This is what everybody know. Yes. Now sum of cubes. Sum of cubes. I am writing only 3. Sum of cubes is nothing but n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square will be sum of cubes. Now why I am writing these 3 only? Now see here in your textbooks, you might get different approaches to find out special series of numbers. There is no need to remember all the patterns of special series. If you can try to convert your given numbers into these 3 formats, whatever the series, you try to convert into these formats, then that will be very easiest way to solve the questions, right? So that you cannot, you don't need to remember all those different patterns. If you know sum of n natural numbers, sum of squares of n numbers, sum of cubes of n numbers, that's enough. Whatever the series given there, try to convert into these formats, then that will be very easy for you. Then I will solve the questions using only these patterns once observe there. Now this is the question asked. One side of a staircase is to be closed by rectangular planks from the floor to each top. अब देखो, this is a staircase, it seems. I will draw a staircase. Okay. The width of each plank is 9 inches. Now width is this one now. Width of each plank is 9 inches only. And the heights are successively 6, 12, 18 inches, so on it seems. अब देखो, width is nothing but every width is 9 only. Height is 6 and the next plank height is 12, next step height is 18, so on. So that how many are there? There are totally 24 planks are needed, it seems. Find the area in square feet is the question asked, right? So you have to convert first of all inches into square feet. Now can anybody say 1 feet is equal to how many inches in the comment section box? 1 feet is equal to how many inches in the comment section box? अब देखो, first of all I will cover this step now. I will cover this step. So you know length and height. So I'll write down here. So you need 6 into 9 area. Anybody in the comment section box? 1 feet is equal to? Yes, very good. Now next one. For the next one you need 6 into 12. For the next one you need 6 into 18. Will you accept this? So on up to 24 you need there. Okay. Then what I will do is, can I take common of 6 into 9? Yes. If I take common of 6 into 9, 1 will be left over here. Here how much will be left over there? Can anybody say how much, what will be the leftover thing there? Is it 2? Is it 2? Sorry ma, we have done a mistake. We have done a mistake. Now this is the point there. 9 into 6. Width is same na? 9 into 12. Next one is 9 into 18. This is the pattern. This is what we have missed out there. So on. Yes. Now see here. I can take common of 9 into 6. Now what will be the leftover number there? 1. Yes. What will be the leftover number there? 2. What will be the leftover number there? 3. So on. So totally how many do you need? You need 24 planks. So end at 24. Yes. Now see here, when you closely observe there, the bracket is in the format of arithmetic progression, or otherwise you can directly write it as sum of n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Will you accept this? Both are same. So 9 into 6 into n is 24, n plus 1 is 25 divided by 2. Now calculate this entire things. Now you will get the answer in inches. Now divided by 12 into 12, because it is square feet. So 12 into 12, you will get the answer in square feet. And finally, what will be your answer there? Anybody in the comment section box, what will be the answer there? Multiply this, you will get the answer in inches. So divided by 12 into 12, you will get the answer in square feet. Now waiting for the answers in the comment section box. Be active. Durga, what is the answer there? Sanjana, Suraj, Prabhu, what is the answer there? A, very good, 112.5. Hi, WhatsApp status. You can, you can join the classes of Venkat sir, right? He is teaching right now from simple basics to the highest level. Join his foundation course, you will get everything. That's my purest suggestion. 112, upon solving all those things, you will get the answer as 112.5 square feet. Yeah. Now, can anyone try this question? Will you try this or shall I answer this? So please try this. I'll give you 2 minutes for this. You just write down the data enough, right? No need to solve the entire things. So just try this. Write down the data there. Yes, Durga, it is 112.5, right? Very good. So please try this. Let us see how many can solve this first of all. So two questions I have clubbed into single question. So if you are more active in the class, if the students are more in the class, as I said, now today see here, I'll just give an example. On Unacademy special class, there are 93 live learners for the verbal class. Now here, it is 1 by 10. Now let me know, where shall I show more interest to take a class? I will show more interest to take a class on special things, right? Because it is very comfortable and the live interaction will be more, very high there compared to this. సో మీ వల్లే తెలుగు ఛానల్ అలా సగంలో ఎండ్ అయింది. మీరు చూపించిన ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వల్లే. Now try to solve one by one. Don't make it as clumsy as like this, right? Try to solve one by one. Time is over here. Nobody solved me. So see here, I will solve the question there. Now dekho, Ram has been given the value of the first term as 6 and the common difference is 2 of an arithmetic progression. Now already it was given that it is an arithmetic progression, it seems. Okay, so I'll write down the point there. So in arithmetic progression, your first term a value is given as 6 and your d value is given as 2, it seems. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly done. Right. He is asked to write the sum of first 20 terms of the series. Now naturally what happens if I find out the sum of 20 terms of a series, is this nothing but the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So by this please let me know the sum of 20 terms there. Can anybody in the comment section box? 20 by 2 into a is 6. So 2a will be 12. N will be 20. Now this will be 19. 19 into 2. Clear? Now sum of n terms will be how much? If I calculate this, this will be 500. Yes, I accept this. Very good. 500 Sanjana. 500. How can it be 990? Now after writing first x terms, he takes the common difference as 12 by mistake, it seems. Okay. As a result, the sum of all terms increases by 56 percentage. 56 percentage. Find the value of x, it seems. Ab dekho, this is 500 value. Now in this 56 percentage is how much? So 50 percentage value will be how much? Can anybody say? Is it 250? Yes. Now 5 percentage value will be how much? Is it 25? Right? How much will be 1 percentage value? Is it 5? So if you add this 3, then automatically how much will you get? Is it 280? So previously it was 500, now it will be 780. Will you accept this? I have done with percentages there. Done. So the increase in value, this is your increase in value. 56 percentage value in number is 280. So I'll write down like this. So see here, up to x terms you have written correctly only. Am I right or wrong? This is writing first x terms correctly only. So xth term I will take some a. Now please let me know, if I write like this, then what happens? What will be the correct series after the xth term? What will be the correct series after the xth term? Xth term, it will be a plus 2. 2 is common difference. A plus 4. Am I right or wrong? Correct series. Next term will be a plus 6. Will you accept this? Yes. What will be the wrong series? What will be the wrong series? So after x terms, you are taking it as 12, it seems. So it will be a plus 12. Now this will be how much? A plus 2d na? 24. Now how much will be this? A plus 36. So on, if you write down like this. Now when you closely observe there, what is the difference between correct and wrong series, ma? Is it 10 here? Is it 20 here? Is it 30 here? Are you accepting my terms? Yes, you will accept this. Ab dekho, see here, take 10 as common there. Now see here, 1 plus 2 plus so on, 3 plus, how many terms will be there? Totally there are 20 terms. You have written up to x terms correctly. Now this will be how much? 20 minus x. Will you accept this? Will you accept this? Please let me know, yes or no. Yes, perfectly. Now closely observe there. This is in the format of sum of n natural numbers. Am I right? Yes. So 10 into, what is your n there? 20 minus x. What is your n minus 1? Is it 21 minus x divided by 2 is equal to, now this difference in value will be how much? Can anybody say the difference in value will be how much? Arey yaar, correct series will be 500, wrong series will be 780, difference will be equal to 280. This is what we have done. Am I right or wrong? By writing the wrong series, the sum of terms increased by 56 percentage, 280. So difference, this will be the number. So 0 0 gets cancelled. Now upon multiplying these things, what will you get? 20 into 21 will be 420. So you will get a quadratic equation, x square minus 41x plus 420 is equal to 56. At last, finally, x square minus 41x plus 420 minus 56 will be how much? Right, 420, 410, 400, 370. Is it 364? Is equal to 0? Yes. Now, what are the roots for this equation? Please let me know. What are the roots for this equation? Can anybody in the comment section box? Ma, plain general quadratic equation. Solve this and let me know the roots there. Sanjana, what are the roots there? If you multiply, you have to get 364. If you add, you have to get minus 47. Can anyone in the comment section box? And dekho here, your number must not be greater than 20 also. Waiting for the answers. Anybody? 28 and 13. Very good. Excellent. Minus 28 minus 13. So your x value will be equal to 13 because your total terms are 20. How can your x be 28? So automatically your answer is 13. So your answer x value is how much? Is it 13? Ab dekho, one of the finest question in this arithmetic progression and averages. I think I am clear regarding this. Yes. Is there any doubts? Please let me know. If any doubts, I will explain it again. So as many were asking how you are doing the questions very fluently and fastly, right? I am the educator, right? I have to explain you in a clean way. Then how can you ask me like this? Somebody posed me this doubt. So upon practice, you also will get the same thing, right? Don't worry about that. Chalo. Are our last question in this series here. Now, a group of 630 children, I will explain this question. A group of 630 children is arranged in rows for a group photograph session. So you can repeat the video, Suraj, you can easily understand it rather than I repeating it. If you again repeat the video, you can get the answer very easily. each row contains 3 fewer children than the row in front of it. Okay, what number of rows is not possible is the question asked. Ab dekho, there are totally 630 students are, it seems. If in this row there are x number of students ma, now in the front row how many will be there? 3 students less than previous one, and the next row again 3 students x minus 6, and again the next will be x minus 9. Will you accept this? Will you accept this? This is what given there. Each row contains 3 fewer children than the row in front of it. So first x number of students are there in the present row. In front of it there will be x minus 3. In front of x minus 3 there will be x minus 6, x minus 9. When you closely observe there, this is arithmetic progression where your common difference is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept this? Yes, perfectly. Now closely observe there, sum of n terms in a arithmetic series is nothing but Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, done. So totally your Sn value is nothing but total number of children in that school. So Sn is equal to 630. 630 into 2, I'll write down like this, is equal to n into, now a value is x, 2x, plus n minus 1 into d. Now you don't know how to solve it. Now if you try to solve it, it will go with higher quadratic equations. Let us not do all those things. I will do like this. I'll write down the equation like this. My final equation is 0, 2 3s are 6, 1260. 1260 is equal to n into 2x plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, I will substitute each and every value. Wherever the value it matches, then that will be our answer. Number of rows not possible is the question asked. So for example, I will take the first option there, n is equal to 3. I'll write down here 1260 is equal to n is equal to 3 into 2x plus, now see here n minus 1, 3 minus 1, and your d value is minus 3. Am I right or wrong? Now when you closely observe there, cancel this. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 0, 420. At last finally 2x minus 3 into plus 3 will be 9. Minus 1 into minus 3 will be plus 3. Now this will be minus 9. Sorry. Minus 9. So this will be minus 9 plus 3. At last finally the equation will become 420 is equal to 2x minus 6. So 2x is equal to how much? 426 by 2. Now when you closely observe there, x is equal to 426 by 2. Yes, it is divisible. So your 3 is possible. Your 3 is possible. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now in the same case, substitute 4 there. I'll write down directly the values there. Substitute 4 there. 1260 is equal to 4 into 2x plus, now here it is 4 minus 1. So directly I can write down this as 4 minus 1 as 3. So this is minus 9. Am I right or wrong? 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So they up dekho idhar. Am I doing it correctly? Yes, 3 3s are 9. So 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. 3 1 5. So 315 plus 9 is equal to 2x. Yes, this is divisible by 2 and 4 is also possible. Now let me know which answer is not possible there. Can anybody? Can anybody in the comment section box, which answer is not possible? Now they go, I can write down like this. Your fourth option is not possible. 1260, your n value is 6 into 2x plus 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 3s are 15. Minus 15 is the value there. Now 6 2s are 6, 1s are 0. Now this 15 comes to this side, which will become 225. 225 is not divisible by 2, so automatically your number 6 is not possible. So your fourth option is not possible, and this is your answer. How many of you got the same answer there? I have done the same thing, but I have substituted the options there. I think I am clear regarding this. Am I clear? Please let me know yes or no. The same concept what I have dealt in. So I am not using any other simple question what I have done, right? A simple concept what I have not done in the class. I am using the same concepts here. So we have completed averages, we have completed alligations. So most of the students have asked me a doubt, sir, when I take out a liquid from a solution, then how I will solve? When I pour a solution into the liquid, then what will happen? Now these are called mixtures. Now let us come to the mixtures concept now. This is a very easy concept. Don't worry about it. Just follow my approach. You will get the answers perfectly. Right? Now, coming to this. Now observe the question carefully there. A mixture of 40 liters of milk and water contains 10% water. So there is a mixture of 40 liters. Now this 40 liters contains milk and water only. That is what given there. Now what is the point given there? In this 40 liters, how much is water? Can anybody say? 10% is water. Matlab, is it 4 liters? Now the remaining 36 liters will be milk only. Will you accept this? Yes. Now what is the question asked? How much water must be added to make 20% in the mixture? Up they go. Now you have added water, it seems. Did you add a single ml of milk? No, you didn't added a single ml of milk. So the milk in the present solution will also be 36 liters. And you have to find out this water level. And you are asked and you are said that this water is 20%. If this water is 20%, now in the present jug, what will be the milk concentration? Will it be 80%? Will you accept this? Now 21s are 24s are. So 4 is to 1 ratio. 4 parts value is 36 liters. Now how much will be 1 part value? Will it be 9 liters? Will you accept this? Now dekho idhar, in the previous jug water was 4 liters. Now the present jug it was 9 liters. How much water did you add there? Is it 5 liters of water? Are you getting my point there? And your option number B. Is it clear? Please let me know in the comment section box. Is it clear? Are you getting my point there? Suraj, Durga, Sanjana, are you getting my answers there? Bolo yaar. Or shall I move on to the next question? Nobody is answering me. Kya hua, right? Yes. So see here, the same type of question. I have changed the names. That's it. Names. That's it. I will solve this question. A 64-pound mixture. Next question you have to solve it. Yes. 64-pound mixture. Now there is a 64-pound bag with you, and this contains sand and gravel, it seems. So I'll write down this sand and gravel. Now when you closely observe there, now 25% is sand, it seems. 25% means 1/4 is sand. Now 1/4 value will be how much, ma'am? Is it 1/4 value is 4 ones are 4, 16. 16 pounds of sand. Now remaining will be gravel only. Am I right or wrong? I'll write down here. Remove 16 from 64. Is it 54? 48. 48 pounds of gravel will be there. How much pounds of sand must be added to produce a mixture that contains 40% gravel, it seems? If you closely observe there, you didn't added a single pinch of gravel. In the previous it is 48 pounds. Now also it will be 48 pounds only. Now you have added sand, it seems. Now this percentage is how much, ma? 40% it seems. Now how much will be this percentage? Will it be 60%? Very good, Sanjana, very good. This will be 60%. Now the ratio will be 2 is to 3. Now, one part will be 24, three parts will be 72. Am I right or wrong? 24 threes are 3 fours are 12, yes, 72 pounds. Now see here, how much of sand did you add it there? 72 minus 16, 62, is it 56 pounds? You have added 56 pounds of sand. Now this is the question asked. Done. Very good. The same process. Now let me see. I will give you the next question to solve. Next question to be solved by you. Yes, 1 minute. Let me know the answer for this. Same procedure, mixture. Sanjana waiting for your answer there. Now, as we cannot complete this replacement and replenishment, tomorrow we will see that concept and then we will solve the questions there. And tomorrow I will be starting number series also for you. And some more questions on this number series pattern. 30 seconds more. Let me know the answer there. $60. Very good. Very good. Only Sanjana gave me the answer right. That too in 45 seconds. Same pattern, ma. There is no change in pattern. In a mixture of 60 liters. The ratio of milk and water is 2:1, it seems. So ratio of milk and water, so I'll take milk here, I'll take water on right hand side. They are in the ratio of 2:1, 2:1, sorry. So three parts, total three parts, 20. So say one part will be 20 liters and two parts will be 40 liters. Am I right? If the ratio of milk and water is to be 1:2, then the amount of water further added. So you didn't added a single ml of milk. So the milk will be 40 liters only. And this 40 liters of milk will be one part. So water has to be two parts. Two parts matlab this has to be 80 liters. So how much of water did you added there? Please let me know. Is it 60 liters? Yes, perfectly. Sanjana have given me Suraj, very good. And option number D perfectly. Excellent, excellent. Let me know the answer for this. 1 minute again. And is this really mixture? First of all, if it is mixture, is this alligation rule or mixture? First of all, let me know that. We have done similar question yesterday. So you must solve this type of question very perfectly. What happened here? Today the less number of students are there. Are you not liking the sessions, or you don't need the sessions, or you want some other faculty to deal the sessions? Chalo, let me know the answer there. Suraj, time is over here. Nobody have answered me. Right, see here. A mixture contains wine and water in the ratio of 3:2, it seems. Okay. Another contains wine and water in the ratio of 4:5. How many gallons of later must be mixed with 3 gallons of former? Later means the next one. Former means the present one. So the resulting mixture may contain equal quantities of wine and water. Ab dekho, they are in ratios. You can convert it into fractions for your convenience. As I like wine more, I will convert them into wine parts. So let us consider a mixture contains, out of 5 parts, 3 parts will be wine. In the B mixture, 4 parts is wine, 5 parts is water. Totally 9 parts are there. So 4 parts will be wine. Now you have mixed this together. Now in this mixture, it contains equal parts of wine and water. Matlab, is it 1 by 2? Yes, very good. So by alligation rule, can I do like this? 3 by 5 is nothing but 0.6 ma. This is 0.5. 0.6 is higher. So 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Now here automatically 1 by 2 will be higher. Minus 4 by 9. So see here 2 nines are 18. Now here how much will be there? 9 minus 8. Now here 5 twos are 10. So 3 twos are 6. Sorry, I write down like this. 5 twos are 10. Now here 5. So at last finally this will be 1 by 18 is to 1 by 10. So finally the ratio will be 10 is to 18. Am I right or wrong? 10 is to 18 is nothing but 2 5s are 2 9s are. 5 is to 9. Am I right or wrong? Yes. The point here is the former is nothing but 5. This 5 parts value is equal to 3 gallons. And you are asked to find out the later one, it seems. So that's an easy one, right? So 5 parts is equal to 3 gallons. Now how much is 9 parts? That's the question there. So your answer will be 9 threes are 27 by 5. So is it 5.4? Sanjana, it is not Dima. You have missed out there. 9 gallon. 9 threes are 27. 5 fives are 25. 5.4 gallons is the answer. You have missed out somewhere. Dekho idhar. This 5 parts. This is former one. Former. Later must be mixed with 3 gallons of former. Check there where you have done wrong there. Simple alligation rule only. Is it clear? Done. Right. And the last one. Tomorrow, tomorrow I will start replacement and replenishment. The last question of the series. Please let me know the answer. Again, 1 minute for this. Not more than that. I will not disturb. Yes. I think you have done some calculated error. Once check there. 1 minute. So today I will forward the entire question series of averages mixtures, and you guys have to try these questions and come to the class here. 20 seconds more. Sanjana said that it is B. What about the remaining persons? Sanjana gave the answer in 30 seconds. Very good, yaar. Suraj, what about your answer? In a cask whose capacity is 100 liter water and alcohol are filled to the brim. Don't consider this brim value, right? So there is a 100 liters mixture in a cask. In this, alcohol and water are there. Yes, I will forward that also, Suraj. As I have classes continuously, I forgot. I will forward all those things. By completing tomorrow's class also, I will complete both all the sessions together. Already Anudeep is very angry on me, right? As I am not forwarding the documents, I will forward it. Alcohol in 1:4 ratio. 1:4 ratio means, observe here, your water is 20 liters and your alcohol is 80 liters. Will you accept this? How much of water should be added to make the ratio 1:1? You didn't added a single ml of alcohol, it will be 80 liters only. And this 80 liters will be 1 part value. And this is also 1 part value, right? Which is nothing but 80 liters. Up, chances no. So how much of water did you added there? Is it 60 liters? Yes. And this is your answer there. Perfectly done. Now, up to now, what you have done is, you have just poured a liquid or removed a liquid. In tomorrow's class, we will be solving when you pour a liquid and remove a liquid combinedly together, then what will you do? So this is the replacement and replenishment. Tomorrow we will be solving the questions regarding replacement and replenishment. right? Now my suggestion is, whoever watching the video, please like and share the session, so it will be helpful to your friends only. It's a penniless affair. There is no need to invest a single NP on this, right? Replacement, and please we request only that replenishment. So this is the major boost for us as an educator. If we want to teach more quality things, we expect only these things here, right? So no need to solve these questions, as I will forward the document there. These are the questions which I have to discuss tomorrow. Then I will make you to solve all those questions. Okay, clear? And see, I will be forwarding the notes to this Telegram group. All the remaining Telegram group links are in the description. You can join whatever the Telegram group you like. Afternoon Unacademy class is that reasoning class. Sanjana, it is verbal ability, ma. Today I have started usage of nouns and verbs. Tomorrow I will be explaining pronouns. I have started verbal ability completely in detail. So it will be 12:30 noon. Exactly. Right. Tomorrow onwards I will keep the link in the description also for you. So those who want can attend it. Right? And see here, as many were asking, right, ESE prelims, I have done complete ESE prelims syllabus on Creatrix YouTube channel and also on MEMI channel, right? Ecology, ethics, project management, everyone. You can go through that. I have done aptitude completely on Creatrix in Hindi. Whoever not comfortable in English can go through that. Right? So Kemendra sir is doing very well for SSC JEE. Those who are preparing for that, go to this channel and observe the classes there. And those who want geography, history, non-tech syllabus for RRB SSC, this is the channel where Anurag Singh sir dealing is the best way. Those who want technical videos for placement training, right, C plus Java, right, all those things, up to machine learning, everything is dealt here. Observe this channel then. Use it, right? And Deco either, if you want to see a free class, yes, you have to unlock the free class using my code. If you want to take plus subscription, yes, you have to use my code. If you want to take iconic subscription, yes, you have to use my code. For anything, even for free class, even to take subscription, even for iconic. This is the gateway for you, right? NLN 10. And for plus subscription, the fee will be 27,225. For iconic, it will be 45,225 after 10% discount. For free, that it doesn't need anything to invest, right? Just your time. Thank you, and let's meet tomorrow sharp 6:15 p.m. to see the next topic. And as again asking, right, please like the session, share the session, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and good night. Good night.